Hey guys, today's topic is quite interesting. Photo editing. I know so many of you guys get hard time to do the photo editing quickly. Not because you don't know how to do, but because you don't have the proper software or the software you have gives very limited facilities. Or you might be at work. It's okay because I'll show you one of the best online photo editor that I use and recommend.
Okay, I'll open the web browser. I'll open Google Chrome. You guys can open any browser like Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or any other, no problem. Just type online picture editor and search for it. You'll get many results. There are a bunch of good websites, but I prefer pixlr.com. It's simple and easy. Open the page and here it comes. You can see Pixlr X is written on the top left corner, which is a free version. It also has paid version which is a little advanced than the free version. It's called Pixlr E. There are options for signing in but it's not necessary now. If you want to save your task for a longer period then it is important. But for now simply click this to create new job. Then choose the template size as per the size of your picture. Now simply browse then select your picture from the location and open. If you guys don't know the size of your picture, then just right click on your photo and click properties, then go to details. You can see the details of your picture from here, and you can see the size of my picture is 4608 by 2592. I chose 3840 by 2160 because it is the biggest frame here. Don't worry guys, my picture was taken by a DSLR camera so my resolution is very high, but normally 1920 by 1080 is considered an average photo size which is accepted universally. So we don't have to think about it. My picture is here. I took this picture a few years ago. I still remember the day. My picture size did not match exactly with the template, but it's okay. It's not that different. I did not lose a lot of details around. Now I'll show you how different options work quickly and how you can use them according to your need. There are options for resizing image, but you don't really need it that much. Here are some of the text styles we will use later. I'm trying to make the video short so I'll fast forward it so that you can learn quickly and do your task immediately. But if you guys are confused or want to see it slowly, then just decrease the speed of my video and watch it. I frequently use undo button from the screen and my keyboard by pressing the Ctrl Z keys to go back to the earlier position. Also, I use the redo button or Ctrl Y keys to go to further state. As this is a free version, certain functions may not be available and they are available only for a premium account. If you want to compile other pictures or change the background or such other applications. The chessboard style background means that the place is transparent and you can add anything later in that place. Since this account is a free version, we may see pop-up ads several times, so we have to close it. But trust me, they are not that annoying. So, now our picture is edited and we've learned how to use different tools according to our need. Now click the save button and it will download your file. Choose whatever file format fits your requirement. We've seen the crystal clear difference in the edited and raw image. Thank you for today.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want any particular video, then please write in the comment box down below. See you again.